Hi, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and this is the SL Pilot from Daytona. Okay, so this is the SL Pilot from Daytona, and this is a bit of a departure for Daytona. It's the first boot that Reinhardt, the owner of Daytona, hasn't designed himself, particularly he's been involved in it obviously. He's actually had some female input from one of the girls in the design team at Daytona. This is the first one that she's been fully involved in. It's her boot really, so it's designed for women, by women, for women, with Reinhardt backing it up with all the Daytona quality you'd expect. So, what have we got? We've got a very lightweight boot for Daytona. So you haven't got the double cuff that you'd get with, say, a Lady Star. It's a slightly stripped back version that's reflected obviously in the price. Let's talk about some of the features. So it's a full Gore-Tex boot still. So if you look in the inside, you've got Gore-Tex all the way to the top of the front and all the way to the top here. So it's running all the way through the boot. You've got that Gore-Tex membrane protecting you, wind and waterproof as you'd expect. If I spin it around to this side though, you can see you've got the drop down here on the boot. So obviously women have different sized calves to feet, they've got smaller feet and tend to have slightly bigger calves quite often. So what they've done is they've dropped this down so it sits under that area a little bit so they can bring the boot in so it's thinner, daintier, a bit more lightweight on that area, but also can fit around women's calf better than a slightly taller boot. So it has been thought out, but you've still got the protection up the front. Spin it back around, you've got 3M Scotch Light running down here and on the back, so you've got a bit of active safety going on as well. Full leather as you'd expect. Kangaroo leather and stretch panels, cow leather everywhere else. Coming back to the front. The toe box, quality Daytona as you'd expect again. You've got the overlay, rubber overlay to protect the toe area, and then you've got an aramid fibre plate between your toes and the membrane, which means you're not going to wear the membrane out when you're riding. It's important because on the toe is where most boots leak. You're not going to get that with this boot because you've got that aramid fibre plate. Very important. Come back around to the inside, just open up this panel, covered zip all the way down, spiral zip, again with Daytona you're getting the highest quality componentry, so a spiral zip running down the side, slight curve on the zip as well for safety, and obviously there's a gusset inside that as well. Now the sole is unique against Daytona. Running through here you've got a gel layer that's going to reduce the amount of vibration coming through the boot and also give you another layer of protection. If you ever wear through the sole in years and years time, you're going to hit a gel pad you're not going to wear straight through the gore and straight into the membrane and have a leaking boot. So again, that's something else unique to Daytona. Obviously heel, ankle protection and toe protection. Steel shank in the sole as well to stop the boot crushing and to give you a bit of support on the peg of the boot. So this is really a rider's boot still. But here's the important part, the sole area. Again, you've got this big rise on the sole. The inner sole actually sits inside this. It's quite hard to show on a video. The insole sits inside this, so you're getting that style, but your foot's sitting fairly flat, but you're still getting a slight rise for those shorter riders. So when you want to get your foot flat on the floor, you're getting a rise on the heel. If you look at the inner sole, it's sort of bucketed out inside here, so it's extremely comfortable, but you're still getting those extra inches, so you can get your foot flat on the floor when you're riding. So that's the SL from Daytona, SL Pilot, sorry, from Daytona. High quality, rider's lady boot, designed by a lady with all the Daytona quality you would expect. Go to Bikerheadz for any more information, like and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.